Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. So welcome all of you to your channel Enjoy Math with Shubhasri ma'am. Last 2 days I taught you the factorization. The full concept I have explained and you have learned. I know that. Can you say today what I will give you? It's a very good and excellent and excited thing. That is what do you know? That is your dream. Today I will fulfill your dream. What dream? The tricks for factorization. Have you heard this thing before? I don't think so. Today you will get the tricks to find out the factorization quickly and as well as easily. Children, so let us start our new tricks, not multiplication tricks, not any other tricks, the tricks for factorization of algebraic expression which bother you all. I know that. So, children, let us start. Watch the video till end, so you will understand it and you will be able to do it. But children, I will tell you one thing, that is, after learning this trick, minimum 15 to 20 sums you have to practice this way. Then only you will gather experience and it will be easier for you. Okay, so let us start. Our today's topic is the magic cross. Today's topic is the magic cross. With the help of this trick, magic cross, you will find out, you will solve the factorization of algebraic expression. Okay, children, now let us take one first one, that is, I am writing 3x square plus 4x minus 15. First you see these three. These three, the factors you will write. You know 1, 3 is a 3 only. So first I will write 1. I will prefer to write the smaller one first, then the bigger one. Now x and x. Okay, so if we multiply this, 3x square. Now we will see this 15. 15 you see. Write down the factors of 15. We all know that is 3 5s are 15. So first I will write the smaller one, then bigger one. Okay. Now I will do the magic cross. I will do magic cross. So first you write that 3 3s are 9x and 5 1s are 5x. 3 9x and 5x with sign, plus sign. So now you see, if we will do this 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 5, we have to add or subtract, you know the concept. So 9 minus 5 is 5, but the sign is plus here. So with the bigger number we will put plus sign, then minus sign. Now your answer has come. What is your answer? Your answer is x plus 3x minus 5. X plus 3 and 3x minus 5. Your answer has come. Okay. This way, if you will do in the exam, you will not get marks. I know that. So, don't write the direct answer. You can split the middle term with the use of this trick easily and quickly. You have not to think a lot. Okay, so which bothers everybody, that they can't understand that which two factors we have to take. So, for that, to solve that problem, you use this magic cross trick and find out the factor and split the middle term. Okay, let us take one more example. That is 12x square minus x minus 35. So, here 12. So, we know 3 4s are 12. With the experience, when you will practice, you will understand that which factor you will take. 2 6 are 12 or 3 4s are 12. You will understand this, but you have to practice for that. You have to gather experience. And then now 35. 35, what we can write? 5 7 35. Now we will do our magic cross. By doing magic cross, we will get what? 5 4 20 x and 21 x. Now children, you just see 21 minus 20 is 1. Minus sign is there. So, bigger number will get minus sign and the smaller number will get the plus sign. So, your answer has come 3x plus 5 and 4x minus 7. Are you enjoying? Yes, definitely you enjoy it and do it and solve your problem. Next, one more example. Number 3, I am taking that 18x square plus 9x minus 35. So, for that you can 18, the factors of 18 we know, 3 6 are 18, 2 9s are 18. So, I am taking 3 6 are 18. You will understand afterwards. Don't worry that which one you will take. I will tell you how you will understand. 5 7 35. Okay. Now, you do the magic cross. What you will get? 30x and 21x. 30 minus 21 equals to 9x. 30x minus 21x equals to 9x. So, plus sign is there. So, bigger number we will put plus sign and smaller number minus sign. So, your answer has come 3x plus 5 and 6x minus 7. This much simple. It is very simple, but you have to practice at least 15, 20, 25 sums to gather the experience that which factor you will choose. I am telling you how you will understand. Suppose I have written here 2 9s are 18, 2 9 and 5 7. You see 9 5s are what? 45. I am not writing x, you will understand that. 45 and 14. If we add or subtract, 9 will not come. So, immediately you just switch to 3, 3 6. Immediately you switch to 3. Okay, this way you can understand that which factor we can take, we will take. Now I am giving you one more, that is 24 x square minus 65x plus 21. Okay. Now I am taking 3 8s are 24. Okay. So 3x and 4x. Sorry, 8x. Now here you see, if I will write 5 and 3 7 ja 21. If I will write here, as I told you that smaller one I will write first, then the bigger one, 3 7, then you see 8 3 8 ja 24 x and 3 7 ja 21 x. If we do addition, subtraction, we can't get 65. So what we will do? We will just switch to 7 and 3. Now you see 7 8 ja 56x and 3 is a 9x. So what we will get? 56 plus 9 is what? 65. Minus sign is, so we cross, magic cross, so I forgot to give. So you give magic cross and minus sign is there. So with bigger number we will put minus sign and the smaller number we will put plus. Okay children. So what is your answer? Your answer has come 3x minus 7 and 8x plus 3. Okay children, I think you are all enjoying. One more I am doing, that is 14x square plus 41x plus 15. Okay, so here I am taking 2x, 7x and 3 5s are 15. 3 7s are 21 and 5 2s are 10. No, it is not coming. It is not coming. So immediately you just switch to 5 3 and check. 5 7s are 35x. 3 2s are 6x. 35 plus 6, that is 41. Magic cross. So here it is plus, so plus plus. So your answer is 2x plus 5 and 7x plus 3. 2x plus 5 and 7x plus 3. Clear it is? Now I will give you one sum that you will do. That is, I am giving you one sum, that is 12x square minus 56x plus 49. Apply the trick magic cross and do this and write down the answer in your comment box. First 5 answer, those who will send, in my next video I will announce their name. Okay children, it will be a very big fun. Really, it is a very big fun. You write down, copy down this one, 12x square minus 56x plus 49. Use the magic cross trick and do it. Write down the answer. Okay. And one more thing I will tell you, that this trick you say to all class 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 or college student. This thing bothers everybody. So share with them, they will also be happy and you will also be happy and I will also be happy, right? So this much for today children. So bye bye.